cheesy ham and bacon chicken pizza. First we're gonna start with this amazing store-bought pizza dough. Then we're gonna use some barbecue honey sauce. For this pizza I chose a chili Gouda cheese. I also bought the ham and chicken pre-cut. This is a lazy pizza after all, so let's make it lazy. And you can put on whatever you like. My son likes ham and chicken, so I made this combo for him. He likes pizza. Who doesn't like pizza? I like pizza. Everybody likes pizza. I also added some shredded bacon. Now I'm gonna add the cheese. And it's a cheesy pizza, so first I use some mozzarella cheese. Now more of the spicy Gouda cheese. And by now you know I like a lot of cheese, so I put a lot on it. And to add a little bit more flavor to it, I use this Italian herb mix and I put it on the whole pizza. It's ready for the oven and it will go in for 12 to 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Let's do this. Now look at that. A cheesy bacon and ham chicken pizza. Delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Leave me a comment if you liked it. And if you're new, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for more amazing videos. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram. Look me up, Sushi Chill and Grill. See you there.